and it's all about water. Okay, it's all about maritime law. Everything is water. Okay, so the waters break. That's what they say. And the next thing that you're going to do is you're actually going to enter the birthing canal. It's all about shipping lanes, maritime, waters breaking onto there, all right, and going into the birthing canal. Right? So then you're going to get a birth, B-E-R-T-H, but we spell it B-R-I-R-T-H, a birth certificate, all right? But a ship also gets a birth certificate, but a B-E-R-T-H certificate, all right? Or it's called a ship's manifest. Now, what is a ship's manifest for? Tells you right there, it's all for tax. It's about tax. It's about what the ship is bringing into the deal so that they can actually tax the goods on the ship, all right? So you're being birthed in a delivery room.